Another death at the Tulsa County Jail yesterday under the watchful eye of a private contractor. Tulsa County contracts with the company to oversee the physical and mental health of all of its inmates. New at 6, 2 News investigator Max Resnick is looking into that company and joins us live outside the David L. Moss Correctional Facility. Max?
Russ, every time you or I go to the store to purchase something, we're helping to fund the jail and the costs associated with it. Now, those sales tax dollars also go to fund a contract with a medical provider at the jail, one that provides health care, and it's one that's embroiled in lawsuits across the country. Wednesday, 41-year-old Brian Keith Perry was found dead while a detention officer was performing security checks. Perry is believed to have committed suicide at the jail. He's one of 2 deaths at the jail so far this year while under the care of the Sheriff's Office and the Correctional Healthcare Companies Incorporated. They're the medical provider for the jail. Correctional Health Companies also happens to be the defendant in 20 active lawsuits around the country, alleging mistreatment and loss of civil rights by inmates, including several lawsuits here in Tulsa County. One of those involves the death of 37-year-old Elliot Earl Williams. Recently released video shows Williams being dragged to a jail cell naked on a blanket. The suit alleges Williams was left for dead for 51 hours without access to food, water, or medical care. Another suit against the medical provider and the county alleges that the 2009 suicide of Charles Jernigan in the jail could have been prevented if his pleas for mental health care had been provided and if the medical staff had paid greater attention to his illnesses. First District County Commissioner John Smoligo says price is not the only factor when choosing a company to run the county's jail.
Their ability to take care of the number of inmates that we have at the jail on a daily basis, their previous experiences, track record, the quality of care that they provide.
Correctional Healthcare Company's relationship with the county began in 2005 and has been the medical provider at the jail since. Suits against the company aren't just here in Tulsa. Just down the road, Oklahoma County is suing correctional health companies for breach of contract for failing to provide adequate staffing and services initially agreed to in their county jail contract. We reached out to Correctional Healthcare Companies Incorporated for comment and left a message with their Vice President of Sales and Marketing. That phone call was not returned for this story. Correctional healthcare companies could be replaced. That is, if the county commissioners get an okay from one of 46 different companies for whom they've requested a proposal to run the healthcare at the jail. Now, whether it's correctional health companies or a new company, we should have a new contract in place by November 1st. Live in downtown Tulsa, Max Resnick, 2 News works for you.
Max, thanks. Now, Correctional Healthcare Companies Incorporated handles the medical care in 250 correctional facilities in 26 different states. They oversee the physical and mental health for around 64,000 prisoners.